I'm Micheal Keer of Product Realization Group, and welcome back to the series on building better products that make you more profit. This week, I'm going to talk about Design for Excellence, which is a set of practices across multiple disciplines that can help you scale your product to volume, improve the cost and availability of components, and improve product reliability as well as quality, thus making you more profit. Design for Excellence includes a family of many frameworks, all of which have a direct impact on the total cost of any product. Today we're going to talk about two of these, DFM and DFT, as the ones with the most impact on your product. Design for manufacturing is the practice of minimizing all aspects of the manufacturing process and includes things such as reducing fasteners, minimizing parts, making sure as many parts as possible have second sources, designing your product as logical subassemblies to give you higher quality and greater flexibility with manufacturing. Design for test makes you think about how your manufactured product will be verified during the manufacturing process. You can save a lot of time and money if the product can test itself or requires no human intervention to show that it is working. Join us next week to learn how to use rapid prototyping for your product. And as always, you can find more information about PRG services which can help you to do this on our website.